EV owners, listen up! Your car battery's hidden damage, range loss, and safety risks can be fully detected in advance. Most EV drivers only charge and drive, but ignore battery health checks. No visible faults doesn't mean your battery is fine. Most battery failures come from accumulated long-term hidden wear and tear. Simply put, battery inspection fully assesses the condition of EV traction batteries. It tracks every cell status and detects potential problems in real time. There are 3 key metrics for professional battery detection: temperature to avoid overheating and abnormal cooling, voltage to fix cell imbalance, cell balance to solve slow charging, sudden power drop, and reduce the range. All hidden battery issues are invisible to your eyes, but can be totally alerted by the monitoring system. Regular checks avoid safety risks, extend your battery life, and save you thousands in repair and replacement costs. Maintain your EV battery regularly for safer drives and longer battery life. Follow us for more professional EV tips. I'm Diana. See you guys next time.